This tutorial video will demonstrate how to access your dispensing history and make adjustments to a dispensing transaction after it has been completed. To access your history, go over to the sidebar where your menu options are located, click on Orders, and then select View Orders. Your most recent dispensing transactions will be shown here. You can search for a specific transaction by using the filter options. Once you've located the transaction you want to view, click on the RX number link. If there were multiple medications dispensed during the transaction, clicking either link will take you to the same transaction. If you see an RX number with a line through it, it means that transaction was voided. On the historical checkout screen, you will have a couple different options you can perform even though the dispense has already occurred. In some cases, you may need to reprint some of the documentation that is available in the Printing Options section. For cash transactions, if you forgot to record the amount that was paid for the medication, you can enter the amount here. In the Post-Order Processing section, you have the option to edit the reimbursement type. So if this should have been a work comp transaction versus a cash transaction, you can adjust it. Or if the incorrect AWP, price, or cost was shown, you can also adjust those fields as needed. On some occasions, a transaction may need to have one or more medications canceled from the record, or the whole transaction may need to be voided entirely. You can do this by selecting the Void Order/Items option here. For cash transactions, before voiding a medication, if you need to apply a credit, simply enter a negative amount in the Patient Payment section to apply a credit for the amount that was recorded as paid. This can also be done to correct a dollar amount that may have been entered incorrectly. If only a specific medication needs to be voided, you would uncheck the medication that should remain. If the medication bottle can be returned to inventory to be dispensed at another time, keep the inventory return option checked, and the bottle will be added back into your available on-hand inventory. If not, uncheck this option and properly dispose of the medication if applicable. Anytime you recorded a transaction, you must provide a reason for the cancellation. Enter your reason for voiding in the space provided, and click Void Selected Items. Once a med or transaction has been voided, you will no longer be able to edit the specific details for that med or transaction, and the printable materials will also become inaccessible. A time-stamped record of each action you performed on any dispensing transaction can be viewed here. You can view additional completed transactions by simply going back to the Orders section and clicking View Orders. If you have any questions about the dispensing history section or the available options, contact the support team at First Coast Health Solutions and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Additional support videos are also available on our YouTube channel.